Hi everyone, my name is Aaliyah McFall, Manager of Multicultural and Inclusion Initiatives here at Misericordia University under the Department of Mission Integration and Institutional Diversity. And a lot of the work that we do here on campus is to really provide different programs, educational spaces, and celebrating different cultures, heritages, and traditions on our campus. And one of our favorite traditions that we like to have on our campus is our MLK Week. For the start of our week on Monday, we took a group of our campus community members to Blankets and Broth, which is an annual community service event at the Freedman Jewish Center in Kingston. So what we ended up doing was assembling Thai blankets and bringing different cans of soup for different members of the community. So Ruth's Place, Salvation Army, and the Kirby Family House at Sarah's Table. The second event for faculty and staff was our charism conversation on justice. We had Chris Summers and Cass Williams explore our charism of justice and to talk about the shared experiences of our mission in motion. And we had really great conversations with a lot of different members on our campus during this event. Capping the day on Monday with our prayer for peace, we partnered with our mission, ministry, and service team with Chris Summers, Lindsay Rydell, and Dave Beloga, and they have been absolutely fantastic in creating a collective prayer for all of us to come together with the Sisters of Mercy. So on Tuesday, we ended up having another community service opportunity for our entire campus with Project CARE, which is Caring Actions Reaching Everyone. This project was actually created by our Mercy leader, Ella Utt. This event helps us create care packages and hygiene kits and blankets for local organizations, for people in need. This year, we partnered with Ruth's Place. We ended the day with our community vigil in the Banks lobby, and we were able to really celebrate the spirit of Dr. King, reflect on his message of peace and love and equality, and really recommitting ourselves and building a stronger and more inclusive future for our campus. To the next day, with Wednesday, had a great panel called the Dream Imagine. It was an interdisciplinary dialogue with our faculty and staff members. With Dr. Jen Black, we had Dr. Lane Little, Dr. Helen Austin, Dr. Rich Handcuff, and Dr. Rebecca Steinberger. And they spent the entire time just talking about different figures that are really unknown to a lot of people and how this movement, Dr. King's movement, started way before Dr. King. To cap our Wednesday, we had our honorary MLK women's basketball game in which we partnered with our Misericordia University women's basketball team as our show of partnership and solidarity. We were able to really show that spirit through their t-shirts that they were wearing. So if you notice, we have a great photo of MLK, and on the back it had our theme of the power of solidarity. And we really want to show the power of solidarity within our athletic community as well as our campus community. So on Thursday, we had our second annual Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Awards dinner. I really wanted to provide a space and an award completely different from a lot of the other awards that we have on this campus, and really trying to show the appreciation that we have for our students, our faculty, our staff, our administration, and many members of the campus community and beyond, how much we appreciate how they embody the vision and encompass who Dr. King was, and with his vision of peace, persistence of purpose, and inspirational action. And congratulations again to all of our amazing winners. And to cap off our week, we had our annual community brunch. It's just a great way to celebrate the rest of the week. You know, we were able to close out with a shared meal that brings us together. You have students, faculty, and staff, and administration, and maybe some external individuals that come back and really to celebrate community and the connection and our overall Misericordia pride that we have. I hope you all enjoyed our recap of just this amazing week and understanding that MLK Week has been an absolute blessing to have on this campus. Through our mission, through our mercy values, through our moving the needle, through every piece of community that you all bring to this campus. I appreciate the support that we've been able to show and has been given for our office for us to continue to create these spaces and to continue to move this initiative forward. It's been an absolute blessing to see how much we all can come together for something as important as this, as community, and understanding that the true purpose of solidarity and the power that we all have together really does embody the vision and the dream of Dr. King. So thank you all, and I hope you enjoyed.